So this is my story, from zero to reaching $50,000 profit per month in just 1 year, without spending any money on paid ads, having 0 employees, no sales calls, and with one product. And in this video, I'll show you how I done it step by step. It's the end of 2022.
I'm working as a low-paid online freelancer, constantly looking for ways to earn more money because I was completely burnt out and tired of feeling tired, not wanting to get out of bed each morning, constantly sleeping in, developing very bad habits. It felt like a never-ending loop with no way out.
And one night, right before I go to sleep, I listened to a podcast by Naval Ravikant. He said one thing that set trajectory and took my income from almost zero to over $50,000 per month in just 1 year. And he said this: the way to earn in the modern world is by creating great ideas and turning them into digital assets and then selling them. And that's what I did. I've taken a skill set that I've built by working with clients, packaged that skill set into a digital product, and turned it into a $500,000 per year business. You see how one simple idea completely changed the trajectory of my life. And I promise you, if you stick around with me till the end of this video, I will do the same for you. Because you and I got fooled. We watch all of these different online gurus telling you to do a certain business model, while they're making the majority of their money selling you on how to do that business. Yeah, sure, they might do the business model, but 90% of their income is coming in from teaching you. By the way, that's totally fair. They learned a skill and then found a way to leverage and sell that skill. But you and I got fooled thinking that we can do what they did by listening to them. But in reality, instead of doing what they say, let's do what they do. They learned a specific skill which is highly valuable in the marketplace, then packaged that skill into a digital product. They used an organic content machine like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok to build their brands, and then direct that traffic to that digital product. And this is how they make most of their money. And you can start doing the same thing today. On the screen, I'm showing you some of my results selling my digital product. As you can see, these are the payments coming in on Stripe and Gumroad, platforms where I host my digital product. And these are some nice numbers. And I do believe that with my help, you can 100% replicate these numbers and even surpass them. Because as I said, not too long ago, I was completely lost and overwhelmed on how to make this online business thing work. I tried multiple different online businesses. Some of them made me some money, but it was nothing life-changing. As you can see, this was my old notebook where I used to write all my goals back when I started my journey. And I do still have this notebook right here. I was really big on goal setting, but I always missed one thing, which I believe the majority of you watching this video are also missing. And that is having the right strategy and system. Because once you have the system in place, all you have to do is wake up and repeat the same actions each day. And eventually you'll arrive at your destination. Look at what happened when Lauren implemented my system. She went from making no money online to making $800 in a single day. This is the Instagram page I started about 6 months ago. I started this page from complete scratch. And as you can see, I grew to over 170,000 followers. Now it is my main business, which makes me money through selling one single digital product. I came up with a system which works like clockwork and sells that digital product 24/7 without me even directly promoting that product. And this is the power of building your brand on social media and using a digital product to monetize it. And once these big guys start talking about this model, it will already be too late. Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world. And this quote perfectly describes the power of digital product business model. If you do this business model the right way, you will build an asset that will make you money for years to come. My most successful digital product, now known as Instagram Creator Course, started as a preset/LUT that I sold for $9.95. As my Instagram page started growing, I slowly implemented the principle of leverage and launched a product based on what my audience wanted. It was nothing significant. I was getting few sales per day. After people got the product, they started asking me how they could edit content like I do, so I added an extra lesson and increased the price. I started making even more money, and the best part is that I did upfront work once and the product kept selling 24/7, 365. Now, some of you will say that's cool, but in order for me to start this business, first I need an audience. Second, I need a skill so I can create a product based on that skill and sell it. Do not worry, I got you covered. Because you are learning from someone who built over 600,000 follower audience in less than a year and helped hundreds of people do the same. And in a few minutes from now, I will share your secret sauce to build your audience on steroids. Building your audience is gonna be the most important puzzle piece in this business model.
And do not worry, you don't have to build hundreds of thousands of followers to start making money. In fact, you can start making your first sales with just few hundred followers. Now, that's of course when you do implement the right strategy. Once you build your product
and start selling it, that doesn't mean that now you have to run this product forever. You can keep improving that product and building new products, which in my opinion is the best of both worlds. You have a completely free marketing channel, you're building your impact and brand long term, and at the same time you're making massive profits with up to 95% profit margins, which means whatever you make, you get to keep the majority of it. Online education is one of the fastest growing industries, projected to reach a market cap of $545 billion by the year 2030. And every single one of you watching this has a skill and an idea in your head that can be turned into $100,000 per year business in this industry. And you might ask, how do I know this? Because I helped complete beginners create and launch their first digital product and turn this into six-figure business in less than 6 months. And this is the exact system I and other people use to make this business successful. Step 1. Identify your interests and expertise. Simply look at the content you consume the most on social media. Step 2. Start creating content instead of consuming it. Use your interest and expertise to create similar content that inspires you. Step 3. Be smart about content creation. Constantly iterate and as a result, grow your audience. Step 4. Listen to your audience and create a digital product based on their needs and problems. This could be any digital product. As you can see, I started with a preset and then turned it into a massive video course and community. Start small with a lower ticket minimum viable product, MVP. Step 5. Start your newsletter or offer a free product where you can direct traffic and collect emails from your audience. Step 6. Begin promoting your paid product in your emails and making sales. Wait, so you're telling me that in order to make this work, first I gotta figure out what content to create, what product should I make, how am I even going to grow my audience so I can start making sales? And you probably have 100 more questions. Well, no need to worry because as I said before, I got you covered. After launching my digital product in January 2023 and reaching over $50,000 per month in profits soon after, I decided to start helping other people launch their successful digital product business. At first, it started as a small Notion file that I've built. And just using this Notion file, people started getting crazy results. So I decided to turn this into a full-fledged program, which is called Leverage, a program that shares all the behind the scenes of my digital product business. This program is going to take you step by step, from building your first digital product to creating the entire ecosystem to sell that product while you sleep, eat, travel, or do whatever you want. It will reveal live recordings of how I write my email scripts that generated me over $5,000 in a single day. I will share all behind the scenes of how my whole digital product funnel looks like, from building my landing page to creating a sales video script that is responsible for $500,000 in digital product sales. Just by learning how I wrote that sales script will give you the knowledge to be able to sell anything that you want online. More than that, I'll share the entire strategy I used to grow 50,000 people email newsletter in less than a year with completely organic marketing. You will see all the behind the scenes, things that you can't really see on the surface. And remember the most important puzzle piece, which is building an audience? Well, I will give you the full lifetime access to the Instagram Creator Course, the program that will teach you how to grow your audience on steroids, since the results from that course speak for themselves. And you're going to get that program as a bonus right away after you join Leverage. More than that, you're getting access to a private community which is already filled with successful and aspiring digital product creators. And this is where you can get support directly from me and other members 24/7, as well as join our live masterminds and ask me any question you have. Not only that, but I will personally review your digital product business and give you my feedback once you have launched your first digital product using this program. This is the entire package you need to start a widely successful digital product business, because we arm you with the full guidance on how to grow your audience on steroids steroids by giving you that Instagram creator course. And then using the leverage program, you learn how to monetize that audience in the most advanced, cutting edge way that will provide you time and location freedom while you enjoy high profit margins in the industry that is on the rise. Being in the industry that is so new gives you an unfair advantage because you don't have to be the best to make this work. Just because the industry is growing, it will lift you and give you the first mover advantage. But the time is slipping away, and the longer you wait, the harder it's going to be to get started. And if I had the knowledge that I've put into the leverage program back when I started, I would have gotten the results 5 times faster. So with that said, I invite you to join the leverage program with all the bonuses I just mentioned, including the lifetime access to the Instagram creator course. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click the first link in the description. And if there are any more spots left, click the button that says claim your spot now and join the program today. And if you're on the website, just click the button down below this video. To keep our community tight, there is limited number of people I can accept. So if you see that the button to join is available for you, consider yourself lucky. With that said, I'll see you inside the program and our community.